ClickOnCare.com.
Hi everyone. We see that because of the pollution, outside summer, then unhealthy food habits and stress, we get acne on our face. And whatever products we use, however healthy we might lead our life, but still we keep getting acne. So for all those persons, whoever is suffering from acne, I've bought a product that is Retino Micro. Today I am going to review this product and tell you how it helps in decreasing your acne. So the name of the product is Tretinoin Microsphere Gel 0.0% and Retino A Micro. As you see, it comes in packaging of white and a bit grayish. It's of 15 grams and it looks like this. Let's unbox this and see how it looks like inside. The gel looks like this, and also there is a description given with the cream. In this, we can know about all the ingredients, whichever is given, then when to use a product and when not to use a product, the drug reactions, whatever the side effects would be. All the information regarding the product is being given. Here we can see that in the form of diagrams, it's clearly been given how to use the product. So firstly, wash your face with a mild cleanser, then dry your face, and after washing your face, minimum 20 to 30 minutes after, start applying the gel, preferably evening before bedtime. Apply thin layer onto your skin. Don't apply excessive amounts of gel because it results in caking of the gel and it cannot be very effective. Patients who are treating with this Retino A gel, please apply sunscreen daily in the morning for effective treatment and so that it does not give any side effect or reaction. Do not apply more than once a day. And now let's see the ingredients, whatever is used. That is tretinoin USP, sorbic acid, benzoyl alcohol, aqueous gel base and other ingredients. So this is a review of Retino A Micro Gel and it's used for treating acne.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and